Good morning and welcome to OK Garage and Mountain Adventures. Today we're going to work on the Liberty again. Kind of do some stuff I should have done in the previous video, but I didn't have my compression tester, and I didn't have a Borescope that would look up at the valves. So we'll get started. Alright, so start out, got this little light to light up the engine, and should make for better video. And what we're going to do is pull this off again, pull that off again, and never reconnected that. Pull the coil packs, pull the plugs, do compression test, and then I have a new one of these, and I think a new one of these. I'll have to look and see. Actually, we don't have to do it. If you want to come around, if you can reach this one, or reach it from the front.
In this place, my heart set free. Garage doors open.
Lefty loosey. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Memories stay.
Oh,
Come what may.
You want to get it?
Under the stars, we roll
You
around.
need to bring one of your steps up
Horses prance,
so you can reach.
truck sound
Yeah.
profound.
I'm gonna go grab.
In this space, time stands still. Every toy, a part of me, you'll fill. Each truck a story, each horse a friend. In this garage, we're never alone. With trucks and horses, I'm free. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may. Trucks and horses I roam free. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may.
Pull this towards you.
With trucks and horses,
Hard.
Oh my gosh, hold on.
in this
Yeah,
place,
that was hard. Okay.
my heart
You push this
set
button, take
free.
that off, and then just twist that.
Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may.
Okay, pull it out, see if the spark plug comes with it. No?
Nope.
Okay, put it back on.
Where is it? I don't know where it is. Okay, let me get my stole. Cause I don't know where I'm doing.
I'm gonna move you over here. Okay.
What cat is that?
He's down by the retaining wall.
Got it.
Okay.
So what's black supposed to mean?
Black means it's running too rich.
Because it is.
Yeah, that one's solid black.
Which cat? Cinnamon! Get out of here.
1 is black.
Go.
2 is good. 3 is black.
Come here.
Thinking that's where our 2 misfires
Okay. Hold on, let me
is.
go.
Oh, so 1, 2, 4. 1, 6. This one's 3. Ready, Teddy? Let's
This way. I'm right on this bar. This one right here.
Uh-huh. You'll feel it get easy when it's out.
Whoa! Nice, look. Nope. Now it's out. Okay. I pulled it like twice too early.
Alright, so all the plugs are out. So I'm going to note down what the compressions are. 150 is really good. So we're hoping for 150 psi.
Oh, you put it
On
in
this
belt on
gauge.
it too.
Yeah.
That's cool.
What are they with its hose? Oh, it's over there. The memory of the gnat. I can set something down and lose it 5 seconds later. Oh,
What happened?
this is hard to thread in there because it's twisted. Okay, that's in there. Clip that on. And Kayleigh, go in. Push the pedal all the way down to the plastic.
Which one?
The right one, the go pedal.
Gas?
Yeah, the gas.
Alright.
And then turn the key, let it crank 3 or 4 times. Perfect.
What?
And then turn the key to like you're trying to start it.
Like, actually start it?
Yeah, it's not going to start, but turn the key. Oh. Well, that came out fast. That'll wake you up. Okay. Do it again. Turn the key. Turn the key and hold it all the way. Okay. So we've got about 135. That's okay. Wait,
Why is it every time you get into the car, you always have to record in the car?
it's just this. Alright, full that one. Catch up. We have 135.
Wait.
Yeah, go ahead and do it. Okay, just more. Okay. 130. Yeah.
Next time, once it starts, I want you to jerk the car and then put the land or the sunroof open. But it's hot now.
We'll do that because it's going to sit. And if it rains that car.
Oh, gotcha. Is it any faster?
No, it's already good.
Oh.
Okay, do it again. Not the same car.
Yeah.
Just stay up. Make it a long time. Pedal down. Turn the key. Pedal down. Right. Yeah, shut the door. More. And I've got 140. And again. And again. Yep. There's no compression now. Okay, good. Good. More good. Okay. 135 on that one. Okay. Very good. More. More. Okay. So that was 130. For 220,000 miles. 130 pounds. Compression is not too shabby. Okay. So we have in number 1, we got 135. Number 2, there's no compression at all. 3 is 130, 4 is 135, 5 is 140, and 6 is 130. These are all good. That's no bueno. No bueno. So we'll get the borescope out with the flexible head, and we'll look up at the valves and see if the exhaust valve is crammed open for some reason. Alright, got this new little toy. It's a Tesla Borescope, and this is what I got it for. So I can put it down in the cylinder, put it in, and then look at the top of the pistons, come back, and look at the valves. So we know we have a problem in number 2. So let's put this down in number 1. This thing has not been running good for a long time. So Kayleigh, what I'm doing is I can spin the motor by hand in a controlled way.
Oh. That's crazy. There's like...
And then that'll give me room to move my borescope around. So let's... Okay, got that picture. Okay,
Covered
so
in
now
oil, I'm not going to be surprised.
let's look at number 3. Piston is up. Excuse me.
So what are we looking at now?
We're looking at see how those valves are flush?
What's... how do you see that?
See how they sit flush with that seat?
Yeah.
Remember how the other one was sticking out
Yeah.
like 1/8 of an inch?
Mm-hmm.
That seat is in there. So this one is good.
You're on video.
Alright, we'll get back to it. So 2's bad, this one's good. Let's look in 6. I should just look at these in the order that they're already down, but I wanted to start with the one that didn't have any compression. So we'll look at the top of that piston.
The camera can't see it very well.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this screen when I take a picture. It's gonna be over here.
Dude, Hummingbird just tried to come into the garage.
Okay, that one looks okay. Oh, there's a good picture of the brightness. Okay, that's as bright as it gets. So those look nice. That piston looks nice. Oh, it looks decent.
Okay.
Come back and look up at the top. One, this valve over here was in the open position. I wanted to see if it would actually close.
Dada,
Kayleigh?
I'm gonna go and grab a snack
Okay.
and some food. I'm hungry. Are these lights supposed to be very foggy like this?
No,
Why are they foggy though?
because they're old.
I'm gonna go get some.
Those look good. That piston looks good. Go down, let's look up at the valves. This one's open, That other one's closed, but the valve seat is still in there. So what we have is a bad valve seat. That's it, pistons all the way up. So that would be the problem. So the Borescope did its job. We looked in cylinder number 2 that didn't have any compression and saw that valve seat came out. This motor has, from what I've read and understand, it's a decent motor. They say it's a little underpowered, but when my wife had a Liberty Renegade, it had the same motor and it was very peppy. I think they're saying it's underpowered because they're putting them in the Dodge Rams and the Commanders and in those heavier vehicles, and it just doesn't have enough to move those around, but it does a good job with this car. But anyway, its weakness is has aluminum heads and metal valve seats. So when these overheat, like really overheat, the aluminum expands faster than the metal does. So the aluminum expands and it drops that valve seat out of the head, and then it can break and go in the piston and damage the piston. This one, it didn't. We saw that it didn't. So this project's going to go on the back burner. I'm going to button it back together. I'll fast forward through that for you guys. But it's going to go on the back burner. I've got to sell my Mustang to fund the parts to fix this Liberty up. So if you want to buy a Mustang, hit me up. That one I showed in the previous videos. Hit me up. I'll maybe get a video of me parking it back in the garage and add it to this video. So I'm going to button this thing back up, and then my wife requested that we fix the dent in the fender over here. It's plastic, so it's just a heat gun, push it out. It shouldn't be hard. So I'll fast forward through this, turn it around, and then work on the fender flare. Alright, so part 2 of this video, in part 1, we're going to pop this fender liner out and then get the heat gun and see if we can push that dent out and get it looking better. Every little bit helps. And I brought the wrong tool. Well, let's take this. Alright, try a little better tool, or a different tool anyway. It shouldn't be that hard. Oh.
Oh, what?
They made it as hard as they could. You gotta pop this thing out, but you can't. The little tops of it are broken off. So our only choice is to try to cut them. I wonder if I can do it with my medic scissors.
Probably can.
Putting up a fight.
Can't be harder than cutting a penny in half.
Okay, there's that one done.
That's dusty.
Okay. Alright, let's go get the heat gun. You know what? I bet y'all want to be over here. Okay, let's move over here. Okay, that's better. You're also supposed to use these to shine up the, renew the plastic, and I left it sitting there long, and it is kind of shinier. I think it'd take forever though.
Yeah. Well, that worked.
There.
Yeah, put it in the water. Ugh, it's still smoky. What's it? What's going on? Can you try it? Can we just use the straps? He has a personality. Or any parts of these cars, play them. Down to the circle. Like circle. You don't circle, it's something. Why does whenever it's hot, like things kind of move?
Well, this is warm. We should button this thing back up. These are awesome to have. Just a big assortment of plastic clips because they're either breaking off or you're having to break them off. But,
cut them off.
Or yeah, cut them off. But yeah, they're good things to have. So I'm gonna put these back on there while this is still warm and flexible, and get it to line up a little better.
Than how it was lined up.
Yeah. Push that clip up there and then push the center in to tighten it up. Rinse and repeat. The way these work, this is all pushed together and then you slide it in and it pushes that apart. And if you push it in all the way, then you have to get a tool to push it out. This is too small. Same process, it's just thicker. Probably not thick enough. This is going to do it. This is a lot fatter. A little back here. This is already coming out. I'm going to put that same one I just used.
You know what those look like? This one looks like a sword. Honestly, it looks like a dagger.
Okay. So everyone looks happy. This is done. That's done. Okay, so it's all clipped together.
Okay.
What else do you? Yeah, just walk it around.
Yes. Yeah. I don't like it. Why is it repeat?
That's better. I know it's going to be even better. Flames are always better.
Neon lights, nostalgia in every sight. Each truck a story, each horse a friend. In this garage, we're never alone. With trucks and horses, I roam free. In this place, my heart set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may. Under the stars, we roll around. Horses prance, trucks sound profound.
I'm getting down to some dirt. So
In
anyway,
this space,
we're done with this weekend's project. We got to go mow the grass. So appreciate you watching. Hope you watched all the way through. Maybe learned a few things. Probably not from this idiot. But like, subscribe, share the video. That helps with the algorithm and helps me out tremendously. Anyway, we will catch you on the next episode. Now I'm going to see this in the shop for a long time. Like I said, I've got to sell the Mustang. I'll get some video of backing it in the garage here in a minute. But like and subscribe, share the video. Appreciate it. Later. Bye.
Memories stay, come what may. The trucks and horses are all free. In this place, my heart set free. Garage door